Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Saturday morning. I've already been grocery shopping because we have a big parade coming in tomorrow around the Bel Air where I shop. So we shopped a day early to avoid not being able to get there, to be quite honest. So today I'm preparing spicy and creamy Cajun shrimp pasta with andouille sausage. Now let's see what I got going on here. Stock pots or Dutch ovens are ready to go. There's the shrimp. We've got some stock. I'm actually going to be adding some shiitake mushrooms and garlic and some parsley, red bell pepper, onion, the andouille. There's the recipe. And we got some crushed tomatoes. Looks like oregano, actually using a Mexican oregano, my Cajun spice blend, Parmesan cheese, and a little bit of brown sugar. Yeah, so that's what's going on. I hope you have a great Saturday. Don't forget, we have a 3-ingredient challenge. Sign-ups are still being accepted for you, the members of CCK, where you get to cook what other members and myself are going to choose for you. So have a great day, eat great food, have fun cooking.